Learn English to Gujarati months, January to December with
January
2.
December.
Welcome to the calendar circus. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati month words without boring yourself to sleep. Imagine a calendar doing stand-up comedy, and you are in the front row. Welcome in. Today you will meet the months in Gujarati, one by one, like dramatic contestants in a beauty pageant for time. The first one struts in wearing a shiny number 1 sash.
January.
Then comes the short but confident second month.
February.
After that, boots stomping loudly, here comes
March.
the flowers throw confetti for
April.
We skip ahead to sunny adventure mode with
June.
then sweaty sunglasses season with
July.
and blazing late summer champion.
August.
Then school bags and new notebooks enter with
September.
cozy air arrives with
October.
followed by calm, cool.
November.
Finally, wrapped in scarves and holiday lights, the year ends with
December.
And because language loves surprises, a warm family word also joins the show.
Mai.
Meaning mother. Meet the first half of the year. Let us make the first months easy and memorable. Say them out loud with a little drama. Yes, drama helps. January is
January.
think. New year, cold air, fresh plans. The calendar whispers, I can change this year, and then immediately takes a nap. February is
February.
it is the short month. It shows up, does almost nothing, and leaves early like a mysterious party guest. March is
March.
easy one. It sounds close to English. Also, you may imagine the month literally marching in tiny boots. Very efficient boots. April is
April.
also close to English. Flowers bloom, rain falls, and someone somewhere believes a weather forecast for no good reason. June is
June.
warm month, school ends in many places, and your inner vacation planner suddenly becomes very ambitious. Summer enters like a drama queen. Now for the hot months. Try to hear the sound, picture the heat, and maybe pretend you need a fan. July is
July.
imagine a giant sun wearing sunglasses and yelling.
July.
Is my month? Honestly, that feels correct. August is
August.
late summer, hot days, and the calendar starts looking tired. It has been working all year, after all. Mini chain drill.
June. July. August.
Again.
June. July. August.
Quick memory trick. June is short.
June.
July stretches out into
July.
August sounds familiar in Gujarati too.
August.
Back to school, sweaters, and falling leaves. The second half of the year now walks in carrying notebooks, tea, and dramatic autumn leaves. Very cinematic. September is
September.
think of new books, cooler air, and someone saying, this time I will stay organized. October is
October.
cozy month, cooler weather, and leaves falling as if nature is cleaning out its closet. November is
November.
quiet, cool, and just before the end of the year. It is the month that says, I am not flashy, but I am important. December is
December.
the last month. Lights, cold weather, year-end plans, and at least one person pretending they have finished all their tasks. Mini chain drill.
September. October. November. December.
A tiny story with a big calendar. Now let us glue the words into your memory with a silly story. The sillier it is, the better it sticks. You wake up and find a giant talking calendar in your kitchen. It clears its throat and says, good morning. We begin with
January.
You nod politely because arguing with a giant calendar seems unwise. Then it flips dramatically to
February.
a tiny month wearing a cape. Next comes
March.
literally marching.
April.
Arrives with flowers in its hair. The calendar skips ahead to beach mode and shouts.
June.
Then
July.
Then
August.
suddenly the calendar puts on glasses and says, back to work.
September.
Then it wears a sweater for,
October,
drinks tea in,
November,
and wraps itself in lights for.
December.
At the end, your
My.
walks in, sees the giant calendar, and says absolutely nothing, because apparently this is normal now. Quick dialogue practice. You listen, then repeat. Keep it light. You are training, not attending a grammar funeral. A. What month starts the year? B.
January.
A. Which month comes after January? B.
February.
A. Which month comes after February? B.
March.
A. Which month comes after March? B.
April.
A. When does summer start for you? B.
June.
A. When is your trip? B.
July.
A. Which month comes after July? B.
August.
A. What month comes after August? B.
September.
A. What month comes after September? B.
October.
A. Which month comes before December? B.
November.
A. What month ends the year? B.
December.
A. Who is?
My.
B. Mother. Memory tricks you can actually use. You do not need magic, but it is nice to pretend you have some. Here are your quick hooks.
January.
Front door of the year.
February.
The short month in a hurry.
March.
Marching boots.
April.
Spring flowers and rain.
June.
Warm sun and vacation plans.
July.
Hot sky and sunglasses.
August.
Late summer heat.
September.
New books and cool air.
October.
Sweaters and leaves.
November.
Quiet late autumn.
December.
Winter lights and the final page.
My.
Warmth, comfort, home. Final challenge. Okay, brave learner, here comes your mini test. No stress. Your calendar is rooting for you. Say the first 4 in order.
January. February. March. April.
Say the summer group.
June. July. August.
Say the final 4.
September. October. November. December.
Bonus. What is mother in Gujarati?
My.
Bonus challenge. Start at
March.
and go to
June. March. April. June.
and now spot the missing month in this spoken jump.
July.
Underscore underscore underscore.
September.
It is.
August.
Thanks and keep practicing. Nicely done. You just made friends with a whole row of Gujarati month words, and possibly one very strange imaginary calendar. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these words out loud.
January. February. March. April. June. July. August. September. October. November. December.
And
My.
repeat them tomorrow, use them in tiny sentences, and let your memory do its sneaky little job. You are doing great, so keep going.